Okay, so a few extra maybe refreshers on different modeling techniques with polygons. So if I right click on an object, I'm in object mode, and that selects everything, so I can still move my whole object. Let's try face mode. So I'm right clicking my mouse button and dragging down to face. And now I can select the faces here. So I'm going to just hold down Shift and click on the different faces. Now if I draw a line, I'm able to select multiple, but what's kind of annoying is at the back of the object, if I just go into object, just pull this out a second. Okay, if I go to face mode and I select multiples, then you see that I'm selecting ones at the back, and that might not necessarily be what you want. You can actually deselect them by holding down Shift and selecting them again. I know it takes longer just to select things individually, but actually it's probably going to save you time in the long run. Okay, so you can do extrude here. And I'm able to then push in or pull out or whatever I like here. So I can keep going that. If I hit extrude again, I can then change the direction, what I want to do. Perhaps I want to just decrease the size a bit here. Something like this maybe. Okay, so that's something you can do with the faces. I can also, if I go to edge mode here, I'm able to play with a whole edge and just move out one at a time, or if I double click on an edge, let's just move around to the side, maybe up here. So I can click on one, or if I double click, I select the whole edge, and that will select all the way around. And now I can do what I want with that. So pull it out, push it in, move it, perhaps, maybe like that. You can see I can stretch things up and down by doing that. That's kind of useful. And that will symmetrically work. What I can also do is right-click the vertex. So this is, I can control the individual cross sections here. So perhaps I'd like to just do a lot of them at the same time. So if I go into just front view and just look at that directly on, and I want to select all of my top vertex faces here. Okay, so I can then move those in and out, or just one at a time, or a couple at a time. So I'm actually controlling just points. Like that. Maybe give them a bit of like a head piece. Okay, so yeah, you can play around a lot with that. Really get the shape that you really want.